Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A20e. So I got an unopened box right here, just came off the mail today. So let's read the specifications a little bit. We have 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. We have a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel the main camera and the 5 megapixel the second one, and the front facing camera is 8 megapixels. So we have an Infinity V display, and this device supports fast charging. Also, another thing, this is a dual SIM card. I believe all of the smartphones from 2019 are with dual SIM cards. So we have the paperwork here. Good presentation until now. Okay, so yeah, these are the paperworks. The device itself, I obviously ordered the black color. This is the fast charging brick. Yeah, you can pause the video if you want to read the specifications of the fast charging brick. We have the standard earphones, and we have the cable, the charging cable. Yeah, this is a Type-C charging cable. So let's turn on the device, see if we got any juice. Yeah. We see the dual camera setup on the back. We have a fingerprint sensor here, the LED flashlight, standard. We have power button here, volume buttons. We have the SIM card slot and the SD card slot on the left side. On the bottom we have a speaker, button firing speaker, a Type-C charging port, and the headphone jack. Let's go to English. Let's open the device. Yeah, the device is checking for updates. It's the first time, so let me just show you, in the meantime, let me just show you the A40. We have the A40 here. On a size comparison, exactly the same size, same height, same width. Yeah, exactly the same thing. Yeah, exactly the same thing. Let me just skip everything. Yeah, these are all the apps needed for the installation. Adding the finishing touches. Yeah, basically this was it, guys. I mean, we have worth mentioning that this display is not AMOLED display, so just for comparison, I have turned on the A40 and I will show you the display on the A40 comparing with this A20e. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell the difference here, but yeah, you can see like a yellow shadow on the A40 display, so you can understand that it's an AMOLED display. But on the dark mode it's difficult telling the AMOLED display. I mean, because this A20 has a nice display too. It's not AMOLED, but it's nice. Yeah. So let's go to software information. See, we have One UI version 1.1 and the Android version is Android 9. Yeah, so let's check for updates, see if we got any new update on the device. I don't believe so, but let's go. First thing you gotta do after buying a new device, you need to register your device. See, device registered. You need to register your device for updates. And see, we have a new update. It says, what's new? The stability of Knox guard has been improved. Yeah, the USB port moisture algorithm has been okay. So yeah, you got some new things that is going to update. And yeah, basically this was the video, guys. If you stayed until the end, I totally understand that you have already subscribed the video, so I will see you on the next one.